Hi, my name is Alex and I'm a creator of the Lagom watch face. And today I can quickly show you how you can customize it for your device and what the idea behind the watch face. So before we jump into the customization, I want to share with you the idea behind the watch face. So it's actually built on top of three main values. Number one is easy to read, so it has big fonts. Time as always has a higher priority. Number two is performance. I put extra effort to make it super efficient, so it's consumed less energy and battery. And number three is minimalistic design. But yet you have a lot of customization, so you can make it perfect for you, but it will look nice. Let's jump to the customization part and see how you can customize layouts, how you can make font bigger or smaller, how you use rings, and how you can actually use color palette so it will be perfectly match your style. Our device, and here we have settings. You can find exactly the same settings at Connect IQ app on your mobile device. And if you look into the Lagom watch face, you might find 5 main lines. So it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So here's always the time, and we try to make it as big as possible. Here you have icon left, icon right, date, which with the custom date formats, the top place, 3 custom place under the time, and 2 at the bottom. So if you look at the settings, let's say place stop, right? We can change to the whatever we want. Let's say we can have a battery. So we click save, and as you can see, we have battery here. So if you look at the next line, we have icon left, and we can say do not disturb, let's say. So you see it's not activated, so it will not show anything here. And we also can customize the date type. I try to make it as close as possible here. So let's say we want this type. Now you can see it like this. Okay, we can go to we skip the time for now, and then we go to the line number 4. It's called place 1, place 2, and place 3. It's actually important to keep it in order. So if you remove the place 1, it will not show the line at all, because it's actually calculate the position of each item for you, for your device, so it perfectly fit the screen. So let's say we want wherever we want, like let's say battery as well. So you see now we have 100% of the battery here. Same works for place 2, whatever we want. We can actually use icons here as well. So we can use batteries icon. So now we have batteries icon. So if you go to the bottom place 1, it's here. So you can also change this. Let's say step goals. Now it's 39%. And in percentage, I guess you can do also distance. In steps, you can do distance in kilometers or miles or daily or weekly. So this is basically how it works. And then if you want to customize it, you can go, oh, I forget, you can also add rings. So if you set the ring 1 battery, you see it will add the ring around, and you can change the thickness of it. So let's say 5, so it will be smaller. It's actually quite good if you have different devices, and you can perfectly match it for your device. And what else do we have? You have quite common settings like leading 0, or like unread of messages, or just an icon of some messages on your phone. So if we go down a little bit, we have extra field that you can fix the distance between. So here you see, where is it? Extra space, so we can say 5. You see it will add more space here if you need. If you have a big watch and you like that some space, you can do it here. If you use the devices with advanced display, you can also set the brightness of the always on display time here. Military format, so it will remove this. Yeah, one important settings, I guess, you can change to normal if you want to fit more data here. So all of this content will be a bit smaller, but you can go back, make it big, so it's easy to read. So you see it will be bigger. And then spacing between places 1, 2, 3, I guess it's this one. So we can say 9. You see it should actually, oh, maximum 7. So it will add some air here. So This is if you need to use OpenWeather as a provider, so you just need to provide a key. You can read it on the website. But then we can go to the coloring. So you can color each element separately. So let's say you have a I don't know, blue-green belt, so you can set like this. So you see the time has changed. You can also customize minutes. And you can also customize the ring color. It's a lot of colors. I will show you in a minute how you can match the colors. So this is actually basically it. If you need things that marked as Pro, let's say we go to the place 2 and you see this explicitly marked as Pro. So you need to actually buy the Pro pack and set the code here. I will show you how you can get the code if you change the watch. So let's go to the second part and see how to match the coloring. To the website, you can scroll down and you will see this color palette. You can open it, and here if you can find, because it's really hard to find the perfect color that you want to have. Let's put it here, but I try to name it perfectly so it's easy to understand, but it's much easier to see how it looks. You can put your watch against this screen and see, okay, I like this 13 colors, so you can pick by number. Let's say this, send, and now we have this place in this color. So it's so easy like this. Take the code. So what you can do, if you bought one, you can go to the website, click restore code, provide your order number, and then you click request a new code, and you will show the actual code here. So that's actually it. I hope it was helpful and useful. So don't hesitate if you have any question. You can always contact me via forum on the Garmin page or via our website, and Lagom, and enjoy the watch face.